Hello, Doc.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, hello, Doc. Good evening. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So let's continue our exam, Doc. Okay. I have sample here, Doc. Just wait for a minute. Sure. Okay, please listen, Doc. This is our listening one, okay?
Hello. This is Jiangan 6. Unit 1. Listening test. Task 1. Listen to the conversation between Mai and Kevin. Circle the best answer, A, B, or C. You will listen twice.
Okay, so Doc, in task 1 or task 1 in listening, there is no conversation, right? So, can you guess only the answer? Doc, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, can you guess the answer? Because this is our we will check today, okay? I always ask in the admin for the conversation, but
Teacher,
this
but if I incorrect.
okay, it is okay. Okay, I will tell you the exact answer, okay? Don't worry, Doc.
So
Okay, number
one
1.
1
2.
choose it's a which one?
Look at your back, Doc. There is your brother.
Math.
Okay, number 3.
Number 3 is difficult C.
Okay.
Number 4 is B. Number 5 is A.
Okay. Okay, now let's have... I just wait for a minute. Let's check, okay? Just wait for a minute, Doc. It is loading. So do you have a class today, Doc? Did you go to the school?
Yesterday.
Yes.
Alo. Nha ơi. Vâng, đây con đang học đây. Nha ơi, cái bài một ở phần nghe cô bảo là không có cái bài nghe, thế là phải mình phải điền ra. Hỏi cô đi. Cô bảo không có bài nghe, thôi mình phải điền ra. Vâng.
What is that, Doc? Your mother calling you?
Yes. She calling for me to
What is that?
tell me to study with you.
Oh,
I think she think me forget.
okay. So where is your mother now, Doc?
She eating in
Okay, but your brother, look at your back. Your brother is always bringing notebook, or what is that, a paper?
yes, notebook.
Okay, notebook. Okay, how old is he? Your brother?
Can you tell me?
Your little brother, how old is he, Doc?
So he is 7 years old, and next year she will go to the grade 3.
7 years old, grade 3. That is a grade 2, right?
What teacher?
Okay, so are you ready for the answer today, Doc?
Repeat the answer.
Okay, so let's check
One.
your answer.
Yes.
Okay, so now I will read the conversation, Doc. Okay? So
Yes.
listening 1. Okay, after I read, you can change your answer, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so just listen carefully. So this is Kevin. So Kevin and Mai is the conversation, right? Okay. Kevin, what is your favorite day of the week, Mai? Mai? Oh, I love Wednesday. I have English and maths in the morning and music in the afternoon. They are all my favorite subjects. Kevin, I hate Wednesday. I have history on Wednesday. It's so hard to remember all the names and events. My, really? I think history is interesting. I like learning historical stories. What's your favorite subject then? Kevin, I like science. I like learning about our world and I love the teacher too. Miss Robinson is a very creative teacher. My, she doesn't teach my class, but I hear she's fun and she doesn't give much homework, Kevin. Yeah, that's what I like best about her. Okay, can you change your answer, Doc?
Teacher, can
Yes.
you speak? Try.
Okay, I will repeat twice.
Yes.
Again. Okay. So if I call the name, that is he or she is the one who talk, right?
Yes.
Okay. Kevin, what is your favorite day of the week, Mai? Mai? Oh, I love Wednesday. I have English and maths in the morning and music in the afternoon. They are all my favorite subjects. Kevin, I hate Wednesday. I have history on Wednesday. It's so hard to remember all the names and events. My, really? I think history is interesting. I like learning historical stories. What's your favorite subject then? Kevin, I like science. I like learning about our world and I love the teacher too. Miss Robinson is a very creative teacher. My, she doesn't teach my class, but I hear she's fun and she doesn't give much homework. Kevin, yeah, that's what I like best about her. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. What do my
Number
and
one. Number one is B.
yes, number 1 is
Two.
B. Number 2,
Two is C. Three is C.
3
Four
is.
C. Four is B.
Are you sure number 3? Are you sure number 3? Why doesn't Kevin like history?
Uh, it's difficult.
Are you sure? Okay. Number 4. Why does Kevin like science?
Number four is um B.
Okay, number 5.
Number five is C.
Okay. So now we are done with our exam. Okay, let's check. Number 1. What do Mai and Kevin talk about? So, the correct answer is letter.
B.
Yes, very good. Letter B. Why? Kevin and Mai talk about their favorite subjects. Okay, very good. Number 2. What subject does Mai have on
Music.
Wednesday afternoon? Okay, are
Music.
you sure?
Yes. Because
Mm,
she say English. She has English and math in the morning and has music in
yes,
afternoon.
very good. So, letter C. So, music is the subject of my on Wednesday afternoon. Okay, very good. Doc, number 3.
But to read easy, it's difficult.
Why doesn't Kevin like history? Yes, it's difficult. Okay, so for you, Doc, is history a difficult?
Yes, it's
Why?
very difficult because it my teacher in history on the way uh, speak what in the book and say to me and say to the student and we must write on it and it's very boring and it's very hard to remember on the pupil and the event.
Yes, very good. So history is a very boring number 1, right? History is it is a very, what is that? You cannot understand why. You will always remember the events, the name of the person, right?
Yes,
The year. Oh, there are so many words that you must to remember in history. Even though you are wrong, example, that is a year. There is a month, date, and year, and then you cannot remember the date. So it is wrong, right? Already, even though you remember the month and the year, but the date you cannot remember, right? That is the history. So history is a very complete and it is exact answer, right? So it is difficult and it is also a boring subject. Okay, number 4. Why does Kevin like science?
uh, because it gives him knowledge about the world.
Okay. So why does Kevin like science? It gives him knowledge about the world because he likes to discover or to learn more about the world, right? So that is Kevin likes for science. Very good. Okay, and the last number. What does Kevin like most about Miss Robinson?
Uh, she doesn't give much homework.
Okay.
I
So
think
she doesn't give much homework. And also Miss Robinson is a creative, right?
yes.
She
I
is a
think
very
Kevin is very lazy because uh, he like the Mr. Robinson give little
Yes,
homework.
it is true. If the student like the teacher, that the teacher will not always give a homework, so it means the student is a very lazy, right?
Yes,
Yes, Kevin is not a hardworking student, right?
yes.
Okay, very good. You are correct in listening 1. So now let's proceed in listening
It's true.
2. Okay, do you want to change your answer or no?
What is my answer? No, no, no.
Okay, no. So let's check, okay?
Yes.
Mm. Okay, number 2. Decide if the statements are true or false, right? Circle T or F. Okay. The girl met her friends at Camp Wannabe.
Yes, it's true.
Okay, just wait. Do you want to hear again the audio? Oh no. Do you want to hear
Mm,
again the audio? Yes or no?
yes.
Okay.
One more.
Okay, just listen, okay? And I'll find the answer. Just wait for a minute.
Task 2.
Can you hear the
Listen to a
audio?
girl
Yes.
talking about her friends at a camp. Decide if the statements are true, T, or false, F. Circle T or F. You will listen twice. Now, listen and circle T or F.
These are my friends from Camp Wannabe. In the first picture, you can see Ian and Anne. They are from Ireland. I like them a lot. They're really nice, and I had a lot of fun with them at the camp. In the second picture, you can see a boy from Poland. His name is Thomas. He's a very honest boy, and he's learning English, just like me. He likes playing ice hockey a lot. The girl in the third picture is Kim. She lives in Australia with her family, but her aunt lives in England. I don't see her because she lives far away, but we chat on the internet.
Okay.
Now listen again.
Please listen again, Doc.
These are my
No, no, no.
friends from Camp
No?
Wannabe.
Okay.
In the first picture, you can see
Just wait for a minute because it is a very loading, okay?
Yes.
So your answer is the girl again. The girl met her friends at Camp Wannabe. Your answer is true.
True.
Yes. Okay, just wait for a minute. I was download the answer. Okay. So two eyes from that and essence. Okay. What is your answer number 2, Doc?
Number 2 is a phone.
Okay, false. Okay, so just wait for a minute. True, false. There is no answer. What happened? Okay. Number 1 is true. Number 2 is false. How about number 3?
Number
The
3
girl is in the
phone.
second picture is from Poland. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, number
Because
3
it's a
is
man and the boy
yes.
knows the girl.
Yes, number 4. What is your answer? Thomas Harvey is playing ice hockey.
True.
Okay, number 4 is true. Okay, number 5.
Number 5 is phone.
Kim lives with her family and her aunt in Australia. That is
Phone.
okay. False. Very good. So you are correct. listening to? Okay, let's proceed in our reading. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes.
you on the way ask, are you sure? So I think some student will be think, teacher say that, so we will change the answer.
Okay, so that's why the teacher will ask, are you sure the answer? Yes, because sometimes there are students, doc, that they are not sure for the answer. So that is the way of the teacher to ask that. So if you will result, if you will say yes, it is sure, teacher. So you are studying because you know your answer.
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed in reading. Okay, what is the passage about? Your answer is
Number one B.
yes, building a no, the boy's favorite house. Okay, let's check. Okay, do you have a question this doc, right? Reading. There's no reading here. Okay. So number 1 is letter B, correct? How about number 2, doc?
Number two B.
Okay, number 2 is B, a wood. Okay, very good. This is correct. Number 3,
Number three.
there's the word in line for min. So that is your question. Where is the line for, right?
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is letter A, the ladder. So
I go that.
it is correct. Why? Yes, it is correct. Okay.
I am
So
lucky.
this is the fourth line. Look at, it's also a wonderful hideaway place. I can play hide and seek with my friends after school. So that is the ladder, right? There is a ladder from the ground to the floor of the house. So that is their hideaway place, the ladder. Okay, you are correct, Doc. Even though you are guessing. Okay. Number 4. What are there in the tree house?
The toy. The toy.
Your answer is letter C, right?
Yes.
Okay, you're correct. Very good. Okay, number 5 for the last.
Number five
What does the
is,
boy like doing most with the tree house?
I think it's C.
Okay, very good. You're correct. So you got already 15. You got perfect. Okay, let's proceed to task 2 and the reading again, right?
Teacher,
No.
in three exercise, I don't know incorrect.
Yes, as I said, you are correct in number 3. Why? Because that is the ladder. So this is the line 4. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at Doc. This is 1. This is line 1. Line 2. Line 3. And this is line 4. Line 3, line 4. There is a ladder. So the correct answer is ladder. Okay, next, let's continue. This is our task. Oh, no. Okay. This is task 2. Okay, number 1. What is your answer, Doc?
Uh, Number one is bedroom. Bedrooms.
Yes, very good. That is a bedrooms. Number 2 is,
Number two is between.
Okay, our family lives in a big apartment in the city center. There are 4 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms. The living room is next to the kitchen. There is a bookshelf between them. Okay, very good. Number 3, Doc.
Number three, picture.
Okay, let's read. Pictures. In the living room, we hang, yes, very good. We hang many pictures on the wall. There is also a sofa and a coffee table. The most favorite place is my bedroom. I have many,
Posters.
yes, posters on the wall about my favorite music bands. There is also a, what is your answer, number 5?
Piano. Piano.
Piano. There's also a piano. I can play my favorite songs when I am stressed. Okay, very good, Doc.
Teacher, can
Hmm.
I go to the ring water?
Okay, okay. I will wait. Okay. Can we continue, Doc?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to our writing, right?
Yes.
So, number 1.
Number one is I study English on Tuesday.
Okay, I study English on Tuesdays. Very good. How about number 2?
What are you looking at?
How about number 3?
Does your mother drive you to school?
Does your mother drive you to school? Okay, very good. Correct. Number 4.
Number four is other students are playing right now.
The students are playing right now. Number 5, correct?
Number five is they are playing game on the playground.
Very good. They are playing games on the playground. Okay, you are correct, Doc. Now let's continue. Okay, do you have any question for that?
No.
Okay, you are very correct. Okay, let's proceed. Task 2. What is your answer, Doc?
I'm going to do
Doing.
to do.
Just wait for a
I
minute.
do.
No more than 3 words doing tonight. It's talkative. Okay, just wait. So, what is your plan for tonight? What are you going to do? Okay. Here, Doc, the answer is doing tonight. What are you doing tonight? Okay, what is your answer? What you are going to do?
Yes.
Okay. The answer is doing tonight. Why? Doing tonight. I will find. Okay, so doing tonight or going to do is the same, right? So the answer is doing tonight, Doc. You must add ing in do. Okay, just remember that, okay?
So I incorrect.
Yes, you're incorrect. Only one. It is okay. Right, you said for that you are only incorrect one.
Yes.
Okay, so number 2. Just talks a lot in class. So what is your answer again?
Just is talkative.
Okay, you are correct. Okay, number 3.
Number three is she has long hair.
Okay, she has a long hair. Number 4.
She has black eyes.
Okay, correct. Number 5.
He is a funny boy.
Yes, very good. He is a funny boy. So you are correct, Doc. So on in this part, only one mistake. So doing. The answer is doing tonight. Okay. Number test for the language focus. Let's continue. Okay, so what is your answer here? Number 1. Number 1, Doc, what is your answer?
I don't write the answer in my note.
C, letter C, right?
Let us see. Lunch. Yes, let us see.
Okay, there is music. Okay, number 2, you're correct.
Number two. I see.
Yes, you choose compass. You are correct. Again, number 3.
B. Uniform.
Okay, very good. You are correct again. Uniform. Number 4.
Peter, what is my answer in number 4?
Your answer number 4 is letter B. You can change your answer.
Yes, B.
Okay, change your answer. Choose. This is your second chance.
We can change. I can change.
You can change your answer. Number 4. Change your answer. Choose A or C.
C.
Okay, I gave you a second chance, right? But the correct answer is letter A. Okay, look at a vocabulary, a wonderful in love. Wonderful in love. So voca.
In the chat, I scary this exercise best because I don't good at that.
Okay, that is a pronunciation, right? So you are oh, we are not done. Number 5. Number 5, your answer is letter C.
Let us see.
Okay, I will give you a second chance again. Change your answer.
Teacher,
Okay, very good. So just remember that a don't modern uniform. So modern and uniform is the same, right? But don't, look at that is different. Okay, very good. So you only have one mistake in this part.
yeah.
Next. Mm. In here, did you answer this, Doc? Not chat, right?
I don't answer you.
Ah, okay. Task 3. Oh,
Teacher, in
yes.
the slide 15, I don't answer.
Yes, I remember also. So, in 16, did you answer? No, right?
Yes, no. So, who can answer in slide 15?
Okay, just wait for a minute. Okay, find out the mistakes part that needs correction in each of the following sentence.
Yes, I think number one, the mistake E. Must we change has
Okay,
E has
let's check. Okay.
uh,
I'll just wait. Choose the one part that needs correction. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. So number 2.
number two has E change E here E.
Hin. No, that Hin is the name of a person, right?
Yes,
Hin has a friendly and funny boy.
E here E. No has.
Okay. And a friendly. No. The answer is letter B. Why? Okay, letter A. Very good. Letter A is the correct answer. Okay, number 3. Nam is confident and is a beautiful voice. What is your answer?
Um,
Nam is confident.
the second E. We must change E.
Okay,
Has.
that is already a letter B, right?
Lam E confidence and has a beautiful voice.
Yes, very good. So you are correct. That is letter B. So number 4.
Number four
My best
is
friends are all friendly and has lots of confidence. What is your answer?
the confidence has S.
Okay. Okay, my best friends are all friendly and has lots of confidence. So the correct answer is
E.
okay, very good. You are correct. Number 5.
Number five is
Hang isn't a confident student because he is sure about his ability. Hang isn't a confident student because he is sure about his ability.
teacher.
Okay, look at.
I don't know what
Okay, just look at
ability.
the last sentence. Hang isn't. Isn't is not, right? Isn't is not a confident hang student because he is sure about his ability. So in the last sentence, that is he is sure. So if he is sure, the answer is Hang is a confident student because he is sure about his ability. Am I correct? Look at. So this is isn't is the that is letter A, right? Okay. Okay. Just look at hang. Just look at hang is not isn't, that is not a confident student because he is sure about his ability. So just remember the last sentence. He is sure. If he is sure, so your answer is hang is a confident.
Uh,
Did you get that?
uh, I think. He isn't sure.
Yeah, so you get already. You get already?
Isn't a confident student because he isn't sure his ability.
Yes. So the correct answer is letter A.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the wrong one, isn't, because last is sure, right? Okay, you are correct. You are correct in this part. Okay, last part. It is already time. Okay. Choose the best option to complete each sentence. Okay, what is your favorite?
One is C. Choose E. A. Three E. A. Ah. G. A. Yes.
4
And
is
3 EA. And 4 is O. Um,
4 is
I think I think body. No, oversee.
okay, let us see. Okay, number 4. Your answer is overseas, number 4. Are you sure?
I think boarding or oversee.
Okay, number 5.
And number 5 is whole life is computer science. B physics.
Yes. So what is your favorite? That is a subject. Very good. You are correct.
Teacher.
Yes.
With me, um, uh, I think number 6 is
Number
A.
5. Okay. What number?
In it, number 4 is I
Your
think in
uh,
the
okay.
nation.
So your answer is letter A.
Number 4 is C.
Okay, number 4 is C. Okay, number 2. Let's check. The first blank we have on Monday is music. So the first lesson. Okay, we get there correct again. Number 3, during blank, we often play many games in the playground. So that is our break time.
Third time. Yes.
Yes, number 4, Jan goes to an school. His
Inter
classmates are from many
international.
countries. So many countries means that is international. Yes, you're correct. Number 5, blank is my favorite subject. I like learning about how light and sound work among many other things. So that is the P6, right? Okay, so thank you so much for the effort, Doc. You're only had 2 mistakes.
Yes.
Okay, so far you have 99%. Okay, thank you so much for your time today, Doc. So next meeting, tomorrow, right? We have a class tomorrow. We
Yes.
continue our lesson, okay? So what lesson do you want tomorrow?
I think listening.
Okay, let's continue listening. Okay, so thank you so much for your time today, Doc. Good night, Doc.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Have a good night, teacher.
Have a good night too. Bye-bye.